In this video, we will review Edge Supervisor Quick Install Guide and Activation. This video serves as a quick guide for the installation of the Asus PE100A, model name UTI DSGXE Edge Supervisor. Be sure to purchase the PE100A from a Fujitsu General Distribution partner. PE100A, as purchased from others, do not contain the required AirStage Cloud software. You can tell the difference by looking for the AirStage Cloud label on the case. If it is there, it has the required software installed. Before starting the installation, make sure you have handy the following items: a Phillips head screwdriver, a wire cutter stripper for 22-gauge wire, a DIN rail, internet access via Ethernet port, an AirStage Cloud Site Manager account. If you don't have a Site Manager account, scan the QR code to request an account. You can also find the URL in the description of the video. In the AirStage Cloud Customer Portal, click on Account Request. This will display a form. Fill in the information and click Send once it is completed. Usually, it will take up to a business day to be created, and you will receive an email with your account and temporary password. In the AirStage Edge Supervisor Installation Package, you will receive 2 boxes. One with all the hardware you need, and in the second box, the network adapter for the VRF LAN network. Be careful not to lose the package of hardware. It still contains information that will be used for activation. Installing the Edge Supervisor. Select a suitable location for your Edge Supervisor. The location needs to have access to the pink VRF LAN cable, a power outlet. It can be 100 to 240 volts AC, and an Ethernet-based internet port. To start installation, remove the rubber feet screws. Attach provided mounting brackets on either end of the Edge Supervisor. The rubber feet are no longer needed and may be discarded. Mount the Edge Supervisor to the wall and attach a DIN rail nearby on the side of the controller with the USB ports for the U60. The U60 has a DIN rail clip built in. Attach Wi-Fi antennas to antenna ports 4 and 5. Connect the power supply to the Edge Supervisor using the power port V+ or V-. Wait to plug the power cord into the outlet, and please ensure that the Edge Supervisor power remains switched off until you receive further instructions. To connect the Edge Supervisor to an AirStage VRF system, attach the pink wire to the network adapter. Attach the blue and white wires to the orange terminals. The silver, unshielded wire is not used. It does not matter which terminal each colored wire is attached to. Mount the network adapter to the DIN rail, and then connect the network adapter to Edge Supervisor using the provided black USB cable. The small end connects to the network adapter immediately to the left of the pink wire connection. The larger USB end connects to the Edge Supervisor at USB 2. Connect the internet to the LAN 1 port using an Ethernet cable. If you have AirStage ACE split system indoor units, Ventacity ventilators, or 8650 controllers, those will connect to LAN 2. Plug in the power cord. Turn on the power to the Edge Supervisor using the push button switch. It is necessary to associate the Edge Supervisor with an AirStage Cloud account. This process is known as activation. The Edge Supervisor is activated by logging into its Wi-Fi with your browser and following the instructions on your screen. After the Edge Supervisor starts up, it will broadcast a Wi-Fi SSID that matches the serial number of the Edge Supervisor. In order to activate the Edge Supervisor, you must connect to this Wi-Fi network. Access the available wireless networks on your PC or mobile device. The Wi-Fi network of the Edge Supervisor is the serial number of the device. The serial number can be found on a label on the box, as well as on the bottom of the Edge Supervisor. LAN password for the Wi-Fi network. is located on a sticker on the side of the Edge Supervisor. Use it to join the Edge Supervisor's Wi-Fi network. You can use your phone to scan the QR code to automatically connect to the Edge Supervisor portal. You will see the following screen. If the LAN 1 is not connected, a red light and disconnected will show on the screen. Please fix the Ethernet connection before proceeding. There are two options for cloud connection. DHCP is the option selected by default. If static IP option is selected, you will be prompted to enter the static IP address. If the light is green and Ethernet status is connected, press the blue Connect button. If the connection is successful, you will be prompted to enter the email address of your Site Manager account. If you see this box, there is an issue with internet connectivity. Please get in touch with your on-site IT support to troubleshoot. You can disconnect from the Wi-Fi and log into AirStage Cloud for further work. Your Edge Supervisor is now activated and ready for configuration. This is done through the Site Manager portion of your AirStage Cloud account. You will no longer need to log in to the Edge Supervisor. If you require further information, please refer to the Operation Manual link for AirStage Cloud Site Manager, which will be available in the video description. Thanks for watching. We invite you to keep learning on the AirStage Cloud channel.